How to sprout your own broccoli sprouts. You will need a 64-ounce mason jar, a sprouting lid, 3 tablespoons of broccoli sprout seeds, filtered water, a tray or bowl to let the jar drain. Sprouting your own sprouts is very simple. Measure 3 tablespoons of seeds in the jar. Then add 2 cups of water to the jar and let the seeds soak for 4 to 6 hours. After soaking the seeds 4 to 6 hours, without taking the lid off, pour the water out. Then rinse the seeds twice a day for 4 to 5 days. I rinse once in the morning, then one more time in the evening. After each rinse, turn the jar upside down on a bowl or a small tray and place in the kitchen somewhere out your way. I've seen people place the jar in a pantry or in the cabinet. I've done both and I didn't see a difference in germination. So again, rinse the seeds twice a day for 4 to 5 days. As you see here, the lid has holes to drain. Therefore, you can pour 1 to 2 cups of water into the jar from the lid and gently shake the jar. Then pour the water out without removing the lid. Then place it on the bowl or the tray to continue the sprouting process. Here are a couple photos to show the germination to the sprout process. This is day 2. You can see several of the seeds starting to break and germinate. By day 3, you will see a big difference, and on day 4, you should be ready to harvest. Quick note, I've never had my sprouts start to mold because I make sure I rinse them twice a day with filtered water and turn the jar upside down after rinsing. So rinsing them twice a day is very important. On the 4th day, I'll harvest my sprouts. I pour the entire jar into a big bowl. Then I pour in 4 to 6 cups of filtered water. And then I use a big straining spoon to separate the unsprouted seeds from the sprouts. After I separate the small amount of unsprouted seeds, I pour out the water. Then I spread out the sprouts on a flat tray. You can use paper towels to lightly tap the sprouts to absorb excess moisture. After that, the sprouts are ready to eat. You can use them in salads, sandwiches, wraps, smoothies, and more. You can also store them in the freezer in a freezer bag. Enjoy the nutritional benefits of broccoli sprouts. They detox the body, fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and have sulforaphane cancer-fighting properties. Thank you again for your time, and you can find the links to my new book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle by Sean Hill, in the description or on my website. Please like, share, follow, and subscribe. LHLclub.com.